Hey, how's it going everybody? My name's Hunter and welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a headlamp in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Let's get into it. The only things you'll need for this build are two command blocks. For the first one, you want to put /execute your name, tilde tilde tilde, fill tilde tilde 1 tilde, space tilde tilde 1 tilde, light block 12, replace air. It basically just puts a light block wherever you're standing over your head, or on your head I should say, and it just follows you. And for the second command block, /execute your name, tilde tilde tilde, fill tilde -1 tilde 2 tilde 1, space tilde 1 tilde -2 tilde -1, air 1, replace light block. Make sure the first command block is a repeat command block with always active, and then the second one chain always active. If you want to change the brightness of the headlamp, you can go into the first command block and change the 12 to a higher number. The max is 15 though, so you can't put any higher than that. And this is where I show you what it looks like with the light block and without. That's about it. Thanks for watching.